quite very late. I don't know if you see one here. Let's check if it still has a long queue here. Do you have a long queue? What's the waiting time? Maybe I can go and come back. What?
What are you having?
Pedicure and my nails.
Okay, take a seat, yeah?
Yeah, I know. What's the waiting time so I can know if I can pop back in?
About half an hour.
Half an hour? Okay. It's okay to come back then?
Yeah.
Alright. Half an hour. That's so cool. I'll check the other lady.
Maybe she's got it on her, maybe she's left it out. So I rang you.
Hello. You okay?
How can I help you?
I want to do a pedicure and nails.
Can I take a seat, please?
Yeah, what's the waiting time?
5-10 minutes.
5 minutes, so I'll put back in. Let me quickly do my eyebrow tinting. Ooh. There it is. Ooh. Where? That way? Oh, okay, sorry. Wow, this is bigger.
Hi,
You okay?
I'm good. How are you?
You have lots of customers.
Is the motorist inside?
No, when you were just close to the train station area last year, or was it last year or the year before last?
2 years before I moved here.
Was it 2 years ago? So for 2 years I've not hit my eyebrow.
Really? Oh my God. Why?
I've been busy. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so yeah, I want to tint it.
Just tinting or threading?
Yeah, threading and tinting.
You cheat me.
Yeah, the price has gone up. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, have a seat.
Yeah. Let me get my.
Where are you living? In New York?
Hmm?
You live in here?
It's amazing that you don't remember me.
I don't know. A long time you coming. That's why you know.
I live in Newark. I think the last time I came to your shop, you said you were moving to.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I haven't really done anything since then. Sorry.
Hi.
Hi, alright.
I'm good, lovey. How are you?
Good, thanks. We've got time to do waxing or?
Yeah. Have a seat. 5 minutes. You need to hold, lovey.
You've been busy.
More, I'm very busy. I'm okay.
My work friend come here the other day, Leah.
Hmm?
Leah, she come here the other day, didn't she? My work friend.
Good enough. Why taking video you?
Oh goodness, my eyes is red. I should be doing this more often.
Is it first time having him Freddie?
What?
First time Freddie?
No, it's been a long time.
2 years before.
It's been a long time.
Mine's been a while though.
Not 2 years.
Not
Getting,
2
no,
years.
getting time off work though.
Not 2 years at least.
Come.
You have a baby at that time, yeah? You come to
Yeah.
me. Oh.
Now you remember. I was just about to say it was when I had my baby that was the last time I came. Life has been busy to even do self-care.
How many kids you got?
You're about leaving
Mm-mm-mm.
from your previous shop.
Mm-mm-mm.
I've got 6.
How do you survive?
Well, I think it's easier the more you get.
Yeah, I
Look
think
after
so.
each other, you know.
Yeah, and when they get a bit older as well.
I had 5 under the age of 5.
Oh, okay. But I think because they have older ones that they just try to imitate and do what they do, it makes it easier,
Yeah.
isn't
I think
it?
it's easier to have more than one.
Yeah,
One's hard work.
because I noticed that when my oldest go to school and the little one is with me at that period before she started school, she tends to be more cuddly. But once the older one comes by, they're playing around. Then you have your time.
My baby one, he's 14 next week.
Oh,
My big one's 24.
wow.
Got grandkids now.
You're about to be a grandma.
I'm already a grandma.
Oh, I'm not really near right now. I'm still far away. Still walking slowly.
How old are you? I'm old.
How old are you?
I'm old lady.
Is it?
I'm 41.
That's not old.
41, you have grandchildren.
41.
She started quite very early.
My grandson's 4.
I mean, that's the advantage of having children early.
Yeah, I had my first baby when I was 16. I've been with my husband since I was 14. Oh, when's that come there? What's that?
Nail.
Another nail shop? Right, we needed another one. That's 3 down the same street, isn't it?
Honestly. And it's not still enough, honey, because each time you go there, it's not enough. A lot of people are always there.
Well, nail shops, there's Turkish hairdressers, isn't there? And phone shops, vape shops. That's all we say.
Exactly.
There's no
No
phone
shopping
shop.
center. No
No
any
clothes
shopping
shops,
center. No.
is there now?
Comparing here, I know here is bigger space though, but here and your previous shop, how often do you have more customer here or over there? Yeah, okay.
Where was your other shop?
I've been before,
Oh yeah, the purple. Yeah. There's another 2 hairdressers open there as well, isn't
I know,
Mm-hmm.
barber.
I know.
I think here is bigger because it's more because of the nail shop. A lot of people will get to know here. What do you do to your eyes? Is it just to tint it, or you don't tint it?
Well, her mum's my boss, and when her mum's not there, she's the boss.
Oh.
She always says to me, "Where do you go?" So I told her, she went, "That's where I go. You ask her when."
Going over with this like this. Pray for me. Let me not cry.
They'll be fine, don't worry. You have no like strong hair. You have a strong hair because razor. So you have a long hair, but soft hair. Waxing, yeah, you like. No, definitely no painful. Less than the brows.
Okay.
Less than eyebrows, definitely.
Okay.
eyebrow for you.
No, no, definitely less than brows painful. Okay,
Why is it hot? Warm.
definitely warm wax.
Mm.
You don't want cold wax. Just don't tempt you, be fine.
Mm.
Are they done now?
Look here.
Oh.
Wasn't that bad, was it?
Yeah,
Not too bad.
it's bad. There's a lot of it.
It's surprising, isn't it?
Mm.
My daughter keeps ringing me. You know, when I tell her where I am, she's going to kill me.
Cool.
She keeps saying, Mum, I need to get my eyebrows done.
Literally, I'm traffic now.
I've got all the workers texting me. What time do I work? We start work. They work the same hours every week.
Exactly. Yeah.
What time do you close? She might nip up if I ring her and get her done. Have you got any appointments?
Don't worry. If you come,
Hello?
what time coming?
Did you want me? I need to go and get my car in a minute. I'm just having my eyebrows done.
Done.
I've just asked her here. She said you can come and get them done.
Okay. Is this one ready?
Aye.
Black few minutes. We like black
Okay.
one, yeah? Magic now.
Let's see. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Happy?
Yeah. I am.